Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know if there's a reaction video we have today. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, leave your thoughts in the comment section. You've heard the phrase, a hungry man is a angry man. Well, a angry man is this fella right here.
Batty boy, I give man so much blood. They got suck.
Him no wake up on the wrong side of bed this morning. Him wake up on the wrong side of life.
Hey, can't do. Say, I wanna play with me, they saw me ugly. I'm a mascot.
Well, if a hungry man is a hungry man, guess who didn't eat no breakfast?
Suck them mama, yo. They are follow man, so you fuck man. Pussy one, you fuck man. Your mother body boy, you wear man.
Bleach now, bleach now.
Yeah. Fuck your mother.
People, I know it seems as if the coronavirus is kicking our asses right now, but I'll have you know, the tables are about to turn. We have officially launched our coronavirus strike force.
Not going to shoot out Corona, and I care how far or near it is. Mileage, we reached it from a distance.
Yes, you heard right. Special trained soldiers with special weapons. Take a look.
Also.
Yeah. What that? Banana? Alright. Check it out. Bullet, bullet, bullet. Alright. Bamboo, bamboo, bamboo. Alright.
People, you have to remember, so we have to look out for elderly then. Speaking about elderly, I wonder how it's looking for this particular one.
You good like me? You good looking like me? Something alright. You handsome like me?
No, me them, it just be them.
You handsome like me? Must you dopey bad?
Where's it?
You're bad dopey.
Well, it seems like everything is looking good over here.
Instead of dopey bad, you good looking like me? Look at me. Handsome sweet boy, I kill all 6 blood. Mascot. Circus you want go. You good looking like me?
You ever heard the term drop like a ripe breadfruit? Well, let me introduce you to ripe bread.
Raw born idiot.
Bet say you couldn't tell me how I go on.
You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girl no ready.
Mascot.
Mama, although you never get to perform, it's a 10 from me, yeah?
Oh my God. What that for?
Sorry.
Well, the blood can't stop. Let me go run. Asleep, you asleep.
No, someone was in front of me.
What the f*** you don't lie?
No, I don't
You don't lie.
No, I
You
don't.
fuck, a lie.
A donkey ran out in front of me.
A donkey.
Yeah.
A dog done donkey.
Grandpa cut up over him sleep, man. A true thing, him shouldn't do that.
What that for?
Now watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me, nay, nay.
Sorry with that. Sorry. Sorry.
Be a fuck real wow.
Sorry.
You don't know why me pick it up and I make it. We go drive with you.
Alright, so it's just another day in a Beverly Hills.
It's crazy.
What time is it?
not even sure.
White people are yelling one another at them gatherings, drinking Hennessy, burning them bigot split.
Isn't this the overnight world? Yeah, we're welcome here. To my world. The 6 is fucking real. Yeah, and that's loony.
And chewing all over them insults like, you know, like upper class people usually do.
Advance. Hello, mother suckers.
Beautiful day, isn't it? Oh, my paper is here. It's a beautiful day to go and suck your mother, isn't it? Hello, George. Hello, suck your mother to you too. Oh, a polite suck your mother to you, George. Benson. Oh, that's a lovely looking you today. You're looking like a squaddy of some sort. No, not the donut eating type, the woman raisin kind. Nothing much to see here. Oh, Lex, you're going to just have to stick with the good morning. I never really liked you much.
Luna, advance. Hello, mother suckers.
This was always like one of my worst fears. I jump over something and just miss and get an ass slick under my ass.
A mascot.
Alright, so I know so I did really want to see him bust up, but you too wicked man. If a man did bust up right there, so you know what trouble did it. Eh? You know, have to just remember say it was a YouTube video and everything we play and this, somebody gonna get bust up or something figure up, even though if him did get a job.
Say yes! Wow!
No, this a brother here proposed to girlfriend in a public, like girlfriend did tell him say she like him.
Wow! Say yes!
A mascot.
When you hear the man in our background go, yes.
Wow! She said no.
Eating my food. Say no. Damn it. Fuck you, bro. Damn it.
Come up, we stand for the national anthem.
A mascot.